Hello, friends and community members. Welcome to this course on how to write and design infographics using PowerPoint. This course is presented by Lycoming County's Chamber of Commerce. As well as with sponsorships provided by eLearning for Adults, Coffee Cafe, and Dr. Pill's Pet Practice. I'm Tara Smith. Some of you may know me as the Senior Marketing Manager for the Chamber of Commerce. My experience includes over 10 years in traditional media. Before, like most of the world, I turned online, including the effects that digital has on the marketplace. So I am pleased that I will be your instructor throughout this training on creating your own infographic. One of the goals of the Chamber is to strengthen the local business climate by building training programs like this for our members and community. Our mission is to preserve, protect, and defend the free enterprise system through promoting a vibrant business climate and quality of life for business and people of our county. That just doesn't happen because it's in a statement. It happens because we communicate our needs, we network, and most importantly, we support one another. This training is designed to your needs, your budget, and your resourcefulness. We want you to own your own marketing just like you own your own business. Throughout this training, we will teach you how to develop a promotional plan. Then, we will show you how to compose copy for your infographic. Then, you will learn how to use graphic design principles for layout to finally produce your own custom themed infographic. These bullet points are broken down into 4 sections of learning. They're what we call modules. It's important you do the lessons in the order that they are presented. As you dive into this program on creating infographics for social media marketing, we ask that you take full advantage of the discussion boards and knowledge checks. Don't worry, there is no grading scale. These discussions and assessments help us gauge how to improve this training for future sessions. And one more thing, at the end of this course, you'll be asked to fill out a survey in the most truthful way that you can, because after all, everything relies on how we communicate with each other for our businesses to succeed. In a recent meeting, one of our members said, "The biggest communication problem is we do not listen to understand. We listen to reply." The Chamber of Commerce and myself are so glad that you have decided to participate in this training on infographics. Now, let's move on to our first lesson on creating custom-made infographics to better understand your online engagement with the community. Hello. Now, let's officially begin this journey together. By the time you are done with this first lesson, you will be able to identify what an infographic is and determine how you will use your infographic to increase customer engagement. What are infographics? By definition, infographics are highly effective for increasing engagement and capturing your audience's attention. And who is your audience? Why, it's the shoppers, the community, the buyers. So how can you reach them fast, quick, and engage them enough that they come into your store? Why, with an infographic. But first, did you know online shopping increases by 10% each year, which is why infographics are an excellent asset for your online business strategy. Now, when most people think of infographics, they think of charts, diagrams, or illustrations presented in a book or presentation. Those ideas are correct, but infographics are not pigeonholed to one style, one shape, or one type of medium. It's an art form, and like most art forms, it's the audience's interpretation that defines its feelings. And they don't have to be created with an expensive online tool either. You might be asking yourself, but how can we do that without some fancy graphic design program or a paid service with copyright policies? Well, I'm here to tell you that we are going to be doing this all in PowerPoint. Yes, I said PowerPoint. Amazing things can happen with commonly used presentation platforms like PowerPoint. After all, just like infographics, presentations provide a way to communicate information. Running a business can be challenging. There is no reason that the marketing techniques you apply to your strategy should be as well. So let's be creative with what we create. In the next lesson, you are selecting your promotional topic and learning how to gather information around that topic, which we call the promotional plan. See you there. Welcome to Lesson 2. By the time you are done with this second lesson, you will be able to identify your promotional topic and document information about your topic. What is a promotional plan? The promotional plan is the process of how we are going to select your product or service to highlight about your business. Throughout this training, you will hear me reference this product or service as the topic. Everyone's topic will be unique, so don't be self-conscious when you see what other students post on the discussion board. The Chamber of Commerce business model is to help our community thrive. So let's think about how you share your services with your community so you can thrive also. To help you decide, let me walk you through a business scenario. Meet Al and Joe. They run a bike shop on the edge of town. Obviously, their main business is to sell bikes to the community at large, but they also offer full service bike maintenance. Their services include tire maintenance, suspension checks, overall alignment, and checking and adjusting all bearing services. As summer approaches, Al and Joe know that people will be taking their bikes out of the garage to hit the road. Storage can be hard on your bike, so riders could get hurt or experiencing issues when riding. Al and Joe need to reach their audience quickly and emphasize the importance of having your bike serviced at their shop. They need to use social media beyond the boring snapshots. So how do they start their promotional plan? The first step that Al and Joe need to do is select one of their services to highlight as the central theme of their infographic. You know, that topic I keep mentioning? In review, those services are tire maintenance, suspension checks, overall alignment, and checking and adjusting all bearing services. Selecting your topic is only the first step. But what do you do with your topic once you choose it? You research it. You write down all the real facts about this service or product that you want to promote. Sounds simple enough, but let me stress to write down real positive points about the details that make this product worth owning or the service benefits. I stress that real facts are the only facts because posting something that is not 100% true could cause public backlash. Creating a negative relationship with the community is not the way to gain customers. Still not sure about what topic to explore? Not to worry. After this lesson, download the questionnaire template to help you start developing your promotional plan. The questions will assist you in narrowing the topic that you will use to create your first infographic. After completing the questionnaire, post your topic idea in the group discussion post. Wonder what Al and Joe picked as their topic? Check the discussion board. See you in our next module, where you will learn how to use your topic and its corresponding information to compose copy to be used in your infographic.